How do I make a call? Calls can be made through the Bluetooth system using your mobile phone contact information. This is compatible for all mobile phones that support the phone book feature. Become familiar with your mobile phone settings and operation, and verify that your mobile phone supports this feature by checking your mobile phone manufacturer's user guide. The Contacts menu in Infotainment System accesses the phone book stored in the mobile phone. The Recents menu accesses the recent call list from your mobile phone. To make a call using the Contacts menu, begin by touching the phone icon on the home screen, then touch Contacts. You can now search the contacts list by using the first character of the name that you're looking for. To scroll through the list of names, touch A to Z on the infotainment display, then simply touch the name and contact number that you would like to call. To make a call using the Recents menu, touch the phone icon on the home screen, then touch Recents. Then touch the name or number you would like to call.